Oh, it's your bicycle? Turbo. Turbo.
It's okay.
А вот is for dog or cat? А вы animals?
Lady, when they're waiting when appointment, they
Ah, okay, okay. Okay, we're going to the soy Buchau. Buchau. Belgian street food ресторан. Need another side? Night club. Backside. Better in front. Три таун, Паттайя. Здесь.
Какой есть галера?
You talk about street foods in Tree Town?
like Thai food.
Thai food here. And with another also bar street. Night bazaar?
No.
What is this?
Thai food.
Also Thai food? Where your gym? This is your gym.
Central Pattaya already there.
Already near Central Pattaya.
So we can this room.
No. Next.
Next. Okay, we will go to Ентурн.
See this pharmacy.
Okay. До встречи.
Пока-пока.
Алаки, той.
Малибок.
Малибок.
Малибок. Вспомню. Remember Балибок Николас.
Bye.
Straight. Shaira, Chinese restaurant.
How much they pay there?
I don't know. No, later. Time 7:20 already.
But where's big city?
Straight. This is
ยิง
another
นิ้วหูไปตรงกำพลครับ
Street food
ยิงของทาคุนะครับว่าลูกนี้ไปตรงกำพลครับโอ้โหมันไม่ออกซ้ายขวาครับอาเบะอันที่ยิงสองแรก
Take picture one.
ไทยยูเคค่ะถ้าไม่เดียวอีกนิดนะเพราะผลการทดลองว่าใช้ได้กับสุขภาพผิวปลอดภัยอย่างเดียวแน่นอนแล้วก็คือลูกพาไปเลือก
เวลาที่คุณป่วยแต่ไม่มีประกันหาเงินที่คุณมีคือทนไปโรงพยาบาลไกลทนรอคิวนานทนความแน่นแล้วเริ่มต้นกับประกันสุขภาพที่ไอเดีย
This is already Central Street. Shaira, this is Soy 6. Take a look. Same like a Red Street.
Scared.
Ага.
Someone was scared about
Hype, it's new. Hype.
I know it's burger before or
Before burger?
pizza.
You see, Shaira, something new here.
We've been there the other
Do you want to try?
That's okay.
It's okay, you can try.
So that I can take picture later.
Okay, let's go.
You can-
No, first we will buy foods and come back here, okay?
Da?
Okay.
Also many fruits also here.
Fruits everywhere have.
So what I can do?
No, we will go to the first to Big C and come back.
And eat.
Yes, we can eat. Runway name. Runway Market. Crocodile, take a look.
I have before video in my
Шайра, так видео. Crocodile.
take picture.
Indian ресторан. Shaira, our hotel. This one.
Better we go there, Big C already, it's near.
Big C?
The buy and then change and then go.
Okay, okay.
Let's see this one, right? It's not enough?
Yes, Central Marina outlet and inside Big C.
Okay. I thought it's more.
No, very close.
Okay.
Already this building, McDonald's and Big C. Yes, not so far. Very close from our hotel. So we'll go right side. This one. Shaira, here. Traffic, here, traffic. Shaira very tired. She said her slippers is not comfortable for her. That's why not cannot walk in long distance. First we will buy foods water also, and change clothes. Shaira change clothes, and we will go to the near Soy 6 street foods.
No, central.
Yes, not central. Central we already been. Near Soy 6, near Runway market. Runway. Here also have, but not so many. Not more choice. This is Marina Walk, and inside have already Big C. So we're going to Big C. Oh, not allowed video. Shaira, wait, I switch off and change. I don't want to take video because if not allowed, I will not take video. I change my jacket because cold for me. So we're going to Big C right now, and we will show later what we bought in hotel room already. Shaira, let's go. Entrance.